Today, we'll discuss the best electric instant water heaters, exploring top picks to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're seeking efficiency, convenience, or space-saving solutions, we've got you covered. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number one on my list is the ECOTINYMACH Tankless water heater priced at $87. This compact unit is designed to fit neatly under your sink, making it ideal for small spaces like apartments or recreational vehicles. It delivers a powerful 5,000 watts of heating power, ensuring you get hot water instantly without any waiting time. The advanced technology in this heater includes a temperature lock and dry combustion protection, adding an extra layer of safety. Its LED display and remote control make it easy to adjust the temperature to your liking. Made from stainless steel, glass, and durable plastic, it's built to last and resist rust. Users love how quickly it heats water, significantly cutting down on energy consumption since it only heats the water you need. This results in noticeable savings on your utility bills. One reviewer mentioned that it works great in a bathroom with a large tub, highlighting its efficiency. Another user appreciated its reliability and fast heating, although they wished for an automatic on-off feature. Overall, this unit stands out for its affordability, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Second, we have the Rheem heating chamber priced at $294. This gray unit is perfect for residential use, offering up to 3.17 gallons per minute of hot water. Its durable copper immersion elements ensure long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. The digital LED display with external controls allows you to adjust the temperature precisely in 1 degree increments. This model is highly energy efficient, boasting a 99.8% efficiency rating. It includes 1/2 inch adapters for easy installation inside compression water connections. Users appreciate its almost instant hot water delivery, especially in larger homes. One user noted that it performed excellently in a 1,300 square foot cabin, providing hot water quickly even to the furthest points. However, using multiple high-flow appliances simultaneously can lead to temperature fluctuations. Despite this, the heater is praised for its reliability and substantial energy savings, making it a valuable investment. Its simple installation process and robust build quality further enhance its appeal. Third on the list is the Bosch mini tank water heater, which costs $260. This versatile unit can be installed vertically or horizontally, providing hot water right where you need it with a 7-gallon capacity. Its thermal efficiency of 98% ensures minimal energy waste. The compact design fits conveniently under sinks, making it a great choice for both homes and offices. Users love the immediate hot water supply, reducing the wait time significantly. Installation is straightforward, though the unit is slightly larger than some expect, so careful measurement is necessary. One user highlighted its convenience for a bar sink, praising its quick hot water delivery and easy setup. However, regular maintenance, such as replacing the anode every 2 years, is recommended. Some users found the temperature control knob lacking precision, but overall it performs well for various applications. Despite minor installation challenges, it remains popular for its effectiveness and energy efficiency. Next, we have the ECOTOUCH electric water heater priced at $129. The sleek black unit is designed for point-of-use applications, perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. It delivers a powerful 6.5 kilowatts of heating power, providing instant hot water at a consistent temperature. The digital display and touch control panel make temperature adjustments simple and intuitive. Its smart self-modulation system adjusts power input based on water flow and temperature settings, ensuring optimal energy efficiency. Users appreciate its fast heating and the fact that it eliminates the need for preheating. One user mentioned that it was easy to install and provided the perfect water temperature for their needs. Another review noted its energy efficiency, although they encountered some difficulties during installation. Despite these challenges, it's praised for its reliability and ability to provide endless hot water on demand. The compact design also makes it ideal for small spaces, adding to its appeal. Lastly, we got the MIZUDO electric tankless water heater priced at $113, which offers a compact solution for instant hot water needs. This white unit delivers 6.5 kilowatts of power, providing quick and efficient heating. Its digital display and touch panel allow for easy temperature customization. Designed to save space, it fits neatly under sinks or in bathroom cabinets. With a thermal efficiency of 99%, it minimizes energy waste. Safety features include overheating protection and leak detection, ensuring safe usage. Users praise its quick installation process and reliable performance. One reviewer noted its perfect fit for hand washing and small tasks, highlighting its practicality. However, for larger demands like dishwashing, a bigger unit might be necessary. Another user mentioned that while it heats the water quickly, maintaining a consistent medium water temperature can be challenging. Despite this, it's a decent option for simple needs and small spaces, providing good value for its price. So each of these electric instant water heaters offers unique features and benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize energy efficiency, compact design, or advanced technology, there's a perfect water heater out there for you. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.